Is WIX actually free? WIX does offer a free plan, but it comes with limitations that might make it less ideal for professional use. With the free plan, you can create and publish a website using WIX's drag-and-drop editor, which is great for beginners or those testing the platform. However, your site will include WIX-branded ads, and you won't get a custom domain. Your URL will look something like yourname.wixsite.com. Additionally, the free plan lacks advanced features like e-commerce tools, SEO optimization, and the ability to remove ads. For more functionality and a professional appearance, you'll need to upgrade to one of WIX's premium plans, which start at $16 per month. In short, while WIX is technically free to use, the restrictions on the free plan often push users toward paid options for a polished website. If this video helped clarify whether WIX fits your budget, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.